Hey everyone, hatching eggs should be exciting, not a nerve-wracking guessing game. Ever found yourself wondering, did I forget to check the humidity? Are my eggs still okay? We've all been there. Well, stress no more, because today we're bringing you the top 5 egg incubators of 2025, a lineup that blends precision, reliability, and ease of use to help you hatch like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned breeder, these picks will give your eggs the best chance at life. For more details and the latest prices, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Brinsea Ovation 28EX. Let's kick things off with the Brinsea Ovation 28EX, the Tesla of egg incubators. This thing is so fancy, it probably charges your phone while hatching your chicks. The fully automatic setup is a dream. No manual egg turning, no humidity guesswork. Just load your eggs, set the digital controls, and let it do its thing. Imagine binge watching Netflix while this bad girl mimics a mother hen's every move. Customers swear by its 99% hatch rates, especially for fussy eggs like quail or duck. One user even hatched 24 out of 25 eggs while vacationing in Hawaii. Jealous. The external water reservoir is genius. No opening the lid to refill and risking temperature drops. Plus, the alarm system pings your phone if temps dip, so you're not left wondering if your eggs are baking or freezing. Downside? It costs more than my first car. But if you're serious about hatching or just hate babysitting gadgets, this is the treat yourself choice. Perfect for small farms, 4-H pros, or anyone who wants to feel like a poultry wizard. Number 2, Nurture Right 360. Next up, the Nurture Right 360. This is the training wheels of incubators, ideal for beginners who still Google how to candle an egg. The 360-degree clear dome is like a reality show for eggs. Watch them 24/7 without lifting the lid and ruining the humidity. The digital temperature control is idiot-proof. Set it to 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit and it sticks like glue. The optional auto turner, lifesaver. No more setting alarms to flip eggs at 3 a.m. One mom used this for her kid's science fair and said it was easier than assembling Legos. But here's the catch. It's not for mega batches. Cap it at 12 to 15 chicken eggs, or you'll stress like a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Humidity is manual, so grab a hygrometer to avoid any drama. For under $150 though, it's the ultimate my first hatch starter kit. Number 3, Little Giant Still Air. Alright, thrifty friends, meet the Little Giant Still Air. This styrofoam legend is cheaper than a Friday night pizza, and it's been hatching chicks since your grandma's perm was cool. No fans, no Wi-Fi, just old school simplicity. The digital thermostat on newer models keeps temp steady, and the 40 egg capacity is wild for the price. One user hatched ducks in her basement during a flood. True story. But be ready to play humidity detective. No auto refill here. Manual egg turning is a must, so set reminders or kiss half your hatch goodbye. It's not glamorous, but it's tougher than my resolve at a buffet. Just keep it away from pets. Styrofoam versus claws, RIP Incubator. For backyard hobbyists or teachers on a budget, this is the Learn the Basics champ. Number 4, GQF Sportsman Cabinet. Got dreams of hatching 200 quail eggs for your farmer's market side hustle? The GQF Sportsman Cabinet is your wingman. This fridge-sized beast is built like a tank and laughs at small batches. Forced air fans blast heat evenly. So no, why did half my eggs die? Meltdowns. The auto turner handles 200 plus eggs like a pro, and the steel frame could survive a zombie apocalypse. One user hatched chicks for a school district and said it was easier than herding kindergartners. But let's be real, it's pricier than a used Honda and needs its own ZP code. Setup takes time, and you'll need a PhD in humidity management. For small farms or extreme poultry passion, no regrets. Just maybe don't tell your spouse how much it costs. Number 5. Manna Pro HovaBator TurboFan. Last up, the HovaBator TurboFan. Not too cheap, not too fancy, just right for hobbyists who want reliability without a second mortgage. The TurboFan is the star here, swirling air like a mini tornado for even heat. Pair it with the digital thermostat, and you've got a setup easier than IKEA instructions. One teacher used it for her class and said kids were obsessed, though they named every egg Beyoncé. Humidity is still manual, but the clear lid lets you spy on progress without disturbing the vibe. At under $200, it's the sweet spot between basic and I need a loan. Downsides? The fan's a tad noisy, but it's white noise compared to toddler tantrums. And there you have it, 5 incubators that'll turn your egg dreams into reality. But before you swipe that credit card, let's talk strategy. Before you buy, measure your space. That cabinet incubator won't fit in your studio apartment. Trust me. Check egg capacity. Want 10 chicks or 100? Don't be the person trying to hatch an ostrich egg in a quail incubator. Budget for extras. Auto turners, hygrometers, and backup heat lamps add up. Don't blow your whole budget on the incubator itself. After you buy, test drive empty. Run it for 24 hours without eggs to make sure temps and humidity are steady. No one wants omelet regrets. Label those eggs. Use a pencil to mark dates and turning progress. Pro tip, skip Sharpies. They're the enemy of candling. Join a forum. Reddit's Our Backyard Chickens will save you from why is my incubator beeping? Panic at 2 a.m. Now, drop a comment below. Which incubator's calling your name? Team Brinsea or Team Budget? Let's argue. If this video saved you from a why are my eggs green meltdown, smash that like button. It feeds my cat's fancy tuna habit. Subscribe if you're into tech that doesn't sound like it's judging your life choices. Go hatch something awesome. Tag us in your chick pics. We'll feature the fluffiest. Thanks for watching, and remember, even Mother Nature started with one egg. You've got this.